In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist to organize your day. We're going to keep things simple, so by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to open your Today view, add tasks quickly, and follow the on-screen prompts to stay on top of everything you need to do. First, open Todoist in your browser or app and navigate to the Today view. This is usually the default screen, but if it's not, look for the section labeled Today in the sidebar and click it. Think of the Today view as your daily command center. It pulls together everything that's due today, so you don't have to jump between different projects to see what matters right now. Once you're on the Today page, you'll want to start adding tasks. Look for the button or text that says Add Task. It's often near the bottom of your task list or at the top of the page. Click on that. This opens a simple text field where you can type in what you need to do. Now, type in your task or your full to-do list, one item at a time. Try to keep each task clear and specific. Instead of writing something vague like work, write finish project report draft or reply to client emails. This makes it easier to know exactly what you're supposed to do when you look at your list later. If you already know when you want to work on something, you can include dates or times using natural language, like call the dentist tomorrow at 3 p.m, and Todoist will usually recognize and schedule it for you. After you've typed the task name, take a moment to look at any options that appear around the task field. This is where following the on-screen prompts becomes important. Todoist may suggest adding a due date, assigning the task to a project, setting a priority level, or even adding a label or reminder, depending on your plan. These prompts are there to help you organize your day more effectively without having to dig through menus. If you see a date suggestion that fits, click it. If there's a project you want to organize the task under, pick it from the drop-down. Use higher priorities for tasks that must get done today, and lower priorities for nice-to-have items. When you're done, confirm the task, and it will appear in your Today view. Repeat this process for each thing you need to do. By the time you're finished, you'll have a clear, organized list for the day, built entirely from the Today view using